that you all are well. In this video, we are going to learn how to plug in QuickOSM in QGIS. Let's start the video. First of all, you have to open the QGIS, and if you are a new user of QGIS, you don't find the QuickOSM tool here. Check that there is no QuickOSM tool in the toolbar. And QuickOSM is a mandatory tool for study area mapping or extract any area from the OpenStreetMap or Google Map. So it is mandatory for the users of QGIS, but you will don't find the QuickOSM tool in the toolbar because it is not default in the toolbar. To use QuickOSM, you must have to plug in it first. For plugin, you have to go to the plugin, then manage and install plugin. In the search bar, search QuickOSM. Here you see that install plugin, click on it and installation running. Here you see that plugin installed successfully. Now you will find the QuickOSM tool here. Now you can easily extract any area from the OpenStreetMap by using this tool, and you can easily extract your study area by using this QuickOSM tool. In this way, you can easily plug in the QuickOSM in QGIS for creating study area map or any other use. I hope you understand very well. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to ask any question, please drop in the comment box, and if you want to get more video like this, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.